Hello everyone, Blake here at Mercedes-Benz Kamloops, located at 695C Laval Crescent. Today we're taking a look at our 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA250 equipped with a 4MATIC all-wheel drive. It does have the mountain gray metallic exterior paint. This vehicle was previously registered as part of our service fleet vehicles. When someone came in and got their vehicle serviced, we lent them this one as a loaner vehicle. So we've had this since new. We've done all the service work on it. We professionally detailed it. It was covered in some decals before, so it did protect the paint. It's in great shape and it is star certified, so you can take advantage of all the benefits for that. If you want to look into that, please look down below in the description and we'll go over in detail. This vehicle does have the premium package, premium plus package, sport package. It does have the Parktronic with active parking assist. It's an accident-free vehicle, only registered in BC. Got the 4MATIC badging on the back, dual exhaust. They classify this car as a coupe, but it does have the 4 doors, but it does have that nice, sleek look to it. Let's take a peek inside. On the driver's side door panel, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have a power trunk pop. This vehicle does come with the Harman Kardon Sound System. You got some nice badging right at the top by the tweeter. You also do have the memory seating package. This vehicle is a 5-passenger vehicle. Got nice bucket seats in the front. There's the kilometers on the vehicle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all your menu control options. On the right-hand side, you do have your Bluetooth control options, your volume control. Right behind there, you do have your paddle shifters, and on the left-hand side, you also have a downshift. With this car, you do have the navigation system. Now, how it's flickering in the camera right now, that's just because my iPhone. You also do have the rear vision camera, super easy for parking with guidance lines. Again, just the flicker is because my phone. It is crystal clear on my end. Down below that, you do have all the shortcuts for the radio, your media, navigation, or your vehicle settings, heated front seats, auto start stop, your dynamic select. You can really customize your driving mode to what you feel is necessary. Sport mode is fun. Down below that is all your digital climate control. Right behind all this is how you can control your media player. Let's go jump in the back seat. Just taking a peek at the back seat. Now, if you want, these seats will fold down. There's a little lever if you want a little bit more storage. Just going to do a bit of a scan from the back. If you have any questions about the CLA, my name's Blake. I work at Mercedes-Benz Kamloops. Have a great day.